Hi! To insert SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A14, firstly, we would need to find this pin in the box where your device came. And of course, we would need to take our SIM card. As a next step, we would need to turn off our phone and then take a look on the left edge. Here at the upper part, we can see the SIM slot which got a little hole on it. We would need to take our pin and put it into this hole. And when you can feel that the pin is not going any deeper, we would need to push on it until the SIM slot will get out like this. And then with the help of our nails, we would need to take the SIM slot out. This is it. We have successfully found our SIM slot. And now we would need to rotate it to the side where you can see these metal details on the front side. And now, as you can see, we got these two places for two SIM cards. But if we have only one, it doesn't matter in which of these you'll put your SIM card. As a next step, we would need to find the right position for the SIM card to put it into this slot. And we would need to take a look on the corners. As you can see, the right upper corner is cutted, and we also got the same corner in our SIM card. We would need to put it to this slot like this so the cutted corners will match. And now when your SIM card is in, make sure that it's fixed properly. As a next step, we would need to take our phone again and put the SIM slot back, and make sure that you are putting it back with the same side that you have taken it off. We can check it by these two holes that you can see on the SIM slot by itself and also on your phone. Then just push it in, and this is it. We have successfully inserted our SIM card. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.